In this video, we'll find the length of the indicated side in a right triangle using primary trigonometric ratio. So the primary trigonometric ratio are sine theta equals opposite upon hypotenuse. Cosine theta is adjacent over hypotenuse and tan theta is opposite over adjacent. To remember this ratio, you can remember SOHCAHTOA TOA. So sine is opposite hypotenuse, cos is adjacent hypotenuse, and tan is opposite over adjacent. Okay, now we'll practice now. For this a reference angle theta. So what is this side called? Opposite. And this is called adjacent side. And the longest side is hypotenuse. If this is a reference angle, what is this side? Opposite. This is adjacent. And this is a hypotenuse. Similarly, for this reference angle, this will be opposite. And this is adjacent. And this is hypotenuse. So once we write all the three ratio sides, and then we can use which formula to use, and you can find the length of indicated side. For example, in this question, reference angle is 27. So this side will be opposite. And this is adjacent side. And this is hypotenuse. So they are asking to find y. Adjacent is given and hypotenuse is asked. What ratio we can use where there is adjacent and hypotenuse? So cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. So we can write cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Theta is 27. So cos 27 equals adjacent is 5 and hypotenuse is y. We cross multiply. So y times cos 27 equals 5 times 1 is 5. So divide cos 27 both sides. So we get this cancel. So y equals 5 upon the value of cos 27 is, can use calculator and find the value of cos 27. So it comes to 27 cos is 0.891. So 0.891. And that comes to 5.6. So 5.6 is the length of this. So this is 5.6. Similarly here in B question, so this is a reference angle 42. This side is called opposite. And this is hypotenuse. And this is adjacent side. So opposite we have to find and hypotenuse is known. So opposite and hypotenuse ratio is sine. So sine theta is opposite upon hypotenuse. So we can write now sine theta equals opposite upon hypotenuse. Theta is 42. So sine 42 equals opposite is x we have to find and hypotenuse is 14.5. Now we cross multiply. X times 1 is x equals sine 42 times 14.5. You can find the value of sine 42. So 42 sine is 0.669. 0.669 times 14.5. It comes to 9.7. So 9.7. So this side is 9.7. Okay, now here in this triangle now, this is a reference angle, this is opposite side, this is adjacent side. Now we have to find adjacent, opposite is given. So what ratio we can use opposite and adjacent? Tan. So tan theta is opposite over adjacent. So theta is 38. So we can write here tan 38 equals opposite is 12 and adjacent is x. So to solve x, cross multiply. So x times tan 38 equals 12. 12 times 1 is 12. So divide by tan 38 both sides. So we get 38 tan equals to 0.781. 12 divided by 0.781. So 12 divided by 0.781 comes to 15.36 equals to 15.36. So this is the length of this is 15.36. Similarly, next question. So 40 is the reference angle. This side is called opposite. And this is adjacent. And this is hypotenuse. So they're asking for adjacent. Hypotenuse is given. So adjacent and hypotenuse is cos. So cos theta equals adjacent upon hypotenuse. So theta is 40. So cos 40 equals adjacent is x, hypotenuse is 8, cross multiply. So x equals 8 times cos 40. Now we calculate 40 cos is 0.766 comes to 6.12. So this side is 6.12. Similarly for here now, next question. So this angle is reference angle 45. This is opposite side. This is adjacent. And this is hypotenuse. So they're asking for opposite. Hypotenuse is 15. So opposite and hypotenuse, we can use sine theta equals opposite upon hypotenuse. So theta is 45. So sine 45 equals opposite is x, hypotenuse is 15. Cross multiply x times 1x equals 15 times sine 45. So we get 45 sine value is 0.15 times 0.707 comes to 10.6. So this side is 10.6. Okay. The next one more question we can do here. So this 35 is a reference angle. For this is called opposite side. And this is adjacent. And this is hypotenuse. So we have to find opposite. Hypotenuse is known. The ratio opposite and hypotenuse is sine. The sine theta equals opposite upon hypotenuse. So theta is 35. So sine 35 equals opposite is x, hypotenuse is 17. Right over 1, cross multiply. So x equals sine 35 times 17 equals to 35 sine equals to 0.573 times 17. 9.75. So I hope now we understand how to find the length of the indicated side. So there are two more questions given. You can practice this and write in the comment if you have any question. Thank you.